A very good morning to my dear students. Our today's topic is business risk. What is the meaning of risk? Risk means possibility of loss. It can be defined as the chances of loss due to uncertain events in the future. So, in simple words, we can say that business risk means a chance of incurring losses or less profit than expected. For example, demand for a product may decline due to change in taste and preferences of the customer, or due to change in fashion, or due to change in competitors' policy, etc. These factors cannot be controlled by a businessman, and these can result in decline of profit or can also lead to the loss. So this is the meaning of business risk. So there are now two types of risk: speculative risk and pure risk. So what is the meaning of speculative risk? Speculative risk involves both the possibility of profit as well as loss. If the market condition is favorable, it will result in gain, otherwise loss. It arises due to change in demand and supply, change in taste and habits of the customer. Second is pure risk. Pure risk involves only possibility of loss or no loss. If such events take place, it may result in loss. Non-occurrence of such events result in absence of loss or instead of gain. For example, it arises due to fire, theft, earthquake, strike, etc. So here there are two types of risk: speculative and pure risk. Now, what is the nature of the business risk? It can be understood from these features, or you can say characteristics of the business risk. First is business risk arises due to uncertainties. Now, what is the meaning of uncertainties? It means when you are not sure of what is going to happen in future. Common examples of uncertainties are change in demand, government policies, etc. Second, it is an essential part of every business. In the characteristics of the business, we have discussed that risk is an essential part of the business. Every business has its own risk. No business can avoid the risk. Risk can be minimized but cannot be eliminated, although the amount of risk may vary from business to business. Third characteristic is degree of risk depends on the nature and size of the business. You know what? The nature and size of the business also determine the degree of the risk in business. How? For example, business dealing with fashionable items has a high degree of risk as compared to business involved in necessity goods, as fashion keeps on changing. Second, a large scale business has high risk than small scale. Fourth is profit is the reward for bearing risk. An entrepreneur takes risk under the expectation of higher profit. No risk means no gain. So no risk, no gain is an important principle which applies to all types of business. Greater the risk, greater the profit, or higher the chance of profit. So these are the characteristics of the business risk. So you all know that risk is an inherent part of the business and no business can escape from it. However, we can deal it within the following ways. So methods of dealing with the risk. First, not to enter high risky transactions. Second, take precautionary measures like firefighting equipments, etc. Third, take an insurance policy to cover various risks. And fourth, take measures like provision for bad debts, investment fluctuation funds, etc. So these are the methods of dealing with risk. Now our last part is causes of the business risk. Business risk arises due to variety of causes. So what are these causes? These are, first is natural causes. Natural causes are beyond the control of the human beings. This risk is due to natural calamities. It may include damages from flood, fire, earthquake, etc. The natural causes are such type of uncertain factors that human being cannot make any preparation against. Second is human causes. What are human causes? Human causes are related to a chance of loss due to human beings, or you can say employees of the organization. So it may arise due to certain human activities. For example, theft, bad debts, mistakes, accidents, strikes, etc. Third is economic causes. Economic causes are related to a chance of loss due to the change in market conditions. It includes uncertainties relating to demand for products, competition, price, change in technology, rise in interest rate, higher taxes, etc. Now last cause is other causes. There are also a number of other factors which causes business risk. For example, political disturbances, mechanical failures, change in exchange rate, etc. These also come under this category. So these are the 4 causes of the business risk. So in this video, we have done the business risk, which includes there are 2 types of risk, then the nature of the business risk, and then the causes of the business risk. So again, an assignment is there for you. Do it as directed. Thank you.